Welcome to Wallpaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can find wallpaper and style. Just tap here and then tap on change wallpapers, and that's it. Now from here you can change your wallpaper. You can see featured wallpaper, graphical wallpaper, colors wallpaper, and that way you can choose any category as you like. Also, if you want to download more wallpaper, just tap on this icon. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. That means you have a internet connection. And then tap on get more wallpapers, and then tap on top. From here you can download any wallpaper as you like. Suppose if you want to download this wallpaper, just tap here and then tap on download, and then go back, and you can see it's downloaded successfully. Now if you want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen, just select it, and then you can choose any option, lock screen or home screen. If I select home screen and then tap on done, and it's done. Now if I go to home screen, that's it. You can see in my phone wallpaper has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.